Hey, what's going on, guys? Booster Whips here. Today we're going to be installing the new Type G Veloce kit on our G70 2022 Plus. As you guys know, I have the Agile kit. M&S went ahead and developed a new revised variant of the Veloce kit. This is their own. It's called Type G. They did a lot of new improvements to the entire design. If we compare it to the Type R version that they had, which used to be a 3-piece, now it's a 1 single piece. If you guys notice, they have added different standoffs, more material, and just better airflow overall. So I'm gonna go ahead and install this. I'm gonna go ahead and try it out. This is a very great option if you're looking for a budget-friendly kit. As you guys know, Agile is a very expensive item. You're looking at $1,000 per sides, looking at anywhere from $3,000 to $4,000 for a full kit, versus Veloce kit, full kit with sides, rear spats and diffusers and front splitter. You're looking at anywhere in the 1500s or less, since I have a discount going on from here till end of November. So I'll go ahead and put the link of each item plus full kit with the respective discount code on my store at boosterwhips.com. So you guys, if you want to go ahead and check it out and order yourself a set. So we're going to start with the front as usual. Another great improvement that these guys did is that now they include these nice 3-pillar standoffs, so help you facilitate a one-man job here. So as you guys notice, you see how it's standing there. There's 3 pillars. I have 1 on each corner and 1 in the center. So this will help me align the lip here in the front. You can also use it for the side skirts if you're working by yourself. Really helps out to kind of align things and help you out if you're working by yourself. So we're gonna go ahead and remove the Agile kit in the front, and we'll go ahead and install this. This is just straightforward. Align it from the bottom, it lines up, mold it perfectly on the bottom of the bumper, and you're gonna go ahead and self-tap with supplied screws, which I'll show you soon. Alright guys, so I have everything already positioned here. I removed the Agile kit, so you guys can see I'm using these standoffs here. I'm using some boxes. I'm working by myself, so they do come in handy to kind of give that there. So already positioned, what you want to do is go ahead and align the whole lip here. I improvise. I'm using boxes and these standoffs to kind of give it that nice positioning. Once you have it edge to edge, you can start drill it in with the screws provided. So inside the bag, you're gonna have 6 different sets of screws. I'm gonna give you a close-up here of each one. So I separate them. That's what you want to do. Take them out of the bag, go ahead and separate them. I've already started using the different screws. There is no instructions on what goes where, but I kind of figured that the longer ones like these will go on the thicker areas like this, in these areas. I already tried them out and it's perfect. So you have a lot of this thicker area, and if you notice here, it starts to thin out, so the screws that are much less longer like this one will start going towards the end edge over here. And as you get to the corner, it gets even thinner, so you'll start using even the smaller ones and such. These here, which are like a thicker Phillips, I'm gonna use them where the standoffs are. So the little ridges that were on the kit, if you saw on the previous clip, I'm gonna use those there, and just kind of go around that way. So I'm gonna try to film from the bottom. It is a little bit difficult to get that there, but more or less that's how the process is. All right, so I'm gonna use the extremely long ones, that's with the thin head. On the standoffs, on the areas where on the opposite side up here on the front are thicker. So we're gonna put that, as you guys can see, I already did a few here. So let's go ahead Get that in there. And there you go. I'm gonna start moving this box out of the way. So I think we already have some. So again, here we have a thick area too. So we'll use the long screw here. There you go. And then these standoffs, which is the smaller hole back here, we can either use this long ones or these long ones. I think I'm gonna use these on these standoffs just because I believe there's 6 and there's 6 of these. So let's go ahead. Yeah, that actually works. So on the standoff ones that are on the back side, I would use those. All else on the rest of the kits, the thin long ones, wherever there's a thicker area, as it starts to get thinner from the top area, you start using the lesser length ones. And that's it. So let's go ahead and continue. All right, so this is going towards the corner, or one of the corners towards the tire. So this one here already in the corner, it's already a less thinner one. So I'm gonna go with this one here, which is basically just a little bit less than the longer one. And that should be good. Let's go ahead and try that. All right, and just continue with the process. I went ahead and I finalized. If you guys notice, I didn't get a screw on here because I've had multiple kits. The hole is already too big, so I can't get a screw on there. But as you guys can see, I just went all the way. As you get towards the back end, that's where you start using the smaller screws, the Phillips screws, towards the little corners. But it all makes sense once you have it on there. You just kind of start using the smaller screws as you start getting to the thinner area. So I'm gonna finish this side over here and we'll wrap this video up. All right, so we're gonna continue using the long ones. Entire center area, all the thick ones. And again on the back, the standoff ones are gonna be the thicker head ones. I mean, that's what I'm using. Not sure of what's right and what's wrong, but as long as it's on there and secured, you're good to go. There you go. Let's get these standoffs back here. That's that one there. And we're just gonna continue putting those long ones. All right, we're getting towards the end of the other edge. I haven't done the screws here, but I'm gonna go ahead and put this one here. This one's a standoff on the back. And then we're gonna finalize all these other ones here with the smaller screws. All right guys, there you have it. Fully complete. It's nice and flush. And it looks really good. So major improvement from the last one. Definitely recommend it if you're on a budget. And it's a great kit. I'm gonna do some close-ups here. If you guys have any questions, comments, go ahead and drop them below. Again, I'll be dropping the link and discount code from our website at boostedwhips.com, so you guys can get it. Again, the whole kit is on there, or you can buy it individually if you just want the front splitter, if you just want the side skirts, rear diffuser with spats, and stuff like that, or the full kit. 15% off going on now. Tap in and let me know what you guys think. Thanks for watching, guys. Until next time, Boosted Whips, I'm out. Have a very pleasant day, and God bless.